Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you're new here, welcome. On my channel, we do budgeting, cash stuffing, we save our coins, we see where our money goes, and we are trying to get out of debt as soon as possible. Okay, so if you're new here, if any of those things interest you, do go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below. We are happy to have all the new subscribers here, and we are just going along and just doing what we have to do in order to be debt free and thriving in 2025. But also we're trying to save some money. All right, so this video is going to be Paycheck 1, budget and cash stuff. So let's get into the video. We do have a lot. I'm just going to show you guys everything in this video right now. So first we're going to hop into January. We have our monthly budget here, and on the next page we are going to do our Paycheck 1 budget. So I have some money left over here in my my wallet. So we are going to not only take it out, we are also going to track it in our 2024 budget notebook. So I do need to get that out, but we are going to first do our budget, and then we are going to move on from there. So that's what we're gonna do today. We only had one source of income for this month, this paycheck, and then we're just gonna write down everything that we'll be paying for this first paycheck. Now this is my first time doing a weekly, so I just hope everything goes by smoothly. So for this income, we have our full time, and that was on the 3rd. I'm just gonna write the date here so we know when this was. And our expected amount is $650, and that is also gonna be our total. So first, we are going to be paying our rent. Then we are going to be paid Peacock. We are also doing Progressive. And that's it for the bills. Like, wow, this little amount for the bills, but this one is I feel like I should do half, but I'm not sure yet. So this is what I'm gonna do. Oh, whoa, this is the due. So that's the due. So I'm gonna do $250 here. Peacock is going to be $9, and my car insurance is going to be $115. So then we have groceries, we have gas, we have personal, we have beauty, we have pet care, we have dining out, we have miscellaneous, we have household, we have household, then we have 52 weeks. We are starting right on through with our savings. Then we have monthly, we have Friday, we have what's it like outside, Christmas, and savings. So that is what we're gonna be doing. Groceries will be getting 70, gas will be getting 20, personal will be getting 15, Beauty will be getting 15. Pet care will be getting 20. Dining out will be getting 25. Miscellaneous will be getting 20. Household will be getting 20. 52 weeks will be getting 4. Monthly will be getting 3. Friday will be getting 7. What's it like outside will be getting 25. Christmas will be getting 10, and savings will be getting $11. So that is what it's looking like for the first paycheck in 2025. If we have anything left over or anything that we need to add, I have space under here where we'll be doing all the extra stuff that we had to pay for in that first paycheck. I'm just gonna add this all up. So the total is $639, and that is under our budget by $20, $10, by $10, a little over $10, but that is what we are going to be budgeting. Our budget is going to look for paycheck 1. So let's get into the cash, and we do need to grab our old budget notebook. So let's get that first. And let's go into December. So here we have our binder. In our binder, we had this much left over. So in groceries, we had 20, 30, 21, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34 left over. We're just going to take it out and put it on the side. Gas, we had nothing left. Personal, we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Personal had 20. Beauty had 20, 30, 35, 40. 40 left. Pet care is 0. Dining out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miscellaneous. 2. And household, we have 25, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $45 left in home. And I do see that we have some change and there was some receipts. So receipt and change. Just taking out everything for 2025. We starting fresh. We starting fresh. Fresh. We starting fresh. Fresh. All right. So that is what that is looking like. So left over we had, let me just separate everything. In our wallet. That's a lot of money left over in our wallet. that can go right to savings, but I'm not gonna do it today. We're not gonna do it today. So left over is a whole lot of money. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, plus 20. So 126, so 146. 146 left over. And that could be in our December and that, or December and July, and that would have been, yeah, that would have saved us exactly how much we needed to save for the month of, you know. So here I have my wallet, my empty wallet, and here we have our cash for today. So the cash for today is going to be 50, 70, 90. Okay, so 50, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 100, 20, 40, 50. That's 250, 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 256 that we will be cash stuffing today. So let's start with our wallet. In our wallet, we are getting 70, so a 20 and a 50. That will give us $70. Gas is gonna get 20. Personal is going to get 15, so 5, 10, 15. Beauty is going to get 15, 5, 10, 15. I don't know if I showed you guys, but these are my nails that I got done myself. I did them myself. Not got done, but I did them myself. Pet care will be getting 20, and I will continue to do that as much as possible. Unless I'm going on vacation, then I'll definitely go get my nails done. But in order to save more money, I decided to get a gel kit and just do it myself. Because going to the nail salon, I was spending 40 plus tip. So at least 40 plus tip if I don't do like designs. 20 and miscellaneous. So it was adding up, and I was going at least 1 to 2 times every month. Household is gonna get 20. So yeah, at the end of the day, it was necessary for me to cut back on doing my nails in the nail salon. So that's what I did. And it will be for the better, okay? So my savings binder is now empty, and I'm gonna start here. 52 weeks is getting $4. Fridays is getting 5, 6, 7. What's it like outside? It was windy, partly cloudy on Friday. I will be tracking that every Friday. Partly cloudy on Friday, that would be $25 in there. And then $10 for Christmas. 26 weeks I'm not doing. And I thought I had all the right amount of cash in here, but I guess I did not, which is weird. I just counted it. But in our savings, we will be doing 8 and 13. So I'm going to get the stickers out for that. So 13 and 8. So I thought I had enough, but that would give us not 11. I don't know why I thought it was 11. Maybe I should do this, these two. That would give me 20. So the 8 and the 12 will give me so 12 and 8 will give me 20. So I got a 5 and 2 5s and a 10. And that is going to go in here. And that is it for our cash stuffing for today. So we're going to put $20 in here. And that is going to give us, so 639 minus 11 plus 20 would give us 48. 648 for this cash stuffing. So that is what we are going to do for the first paycheck in 2025. And that is it for our video. I am sorry if it was a little, maybe a little crazy, but that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.